Eva Trades.
Hi, my name is Josh, and we are about to dive headfirst into the world of live stream day trading. Now, in these daily live shows, you'll discover the tips and the tricks that successful traders use to make a killing in the market as you witness firsthand every trade I make in real time. So, right now, it's pre market, and we're going to watch the scanners for stocks that are gapping up. If something looks good, I'll chime in momentarily and talk about it and possibly trade it so that you can see my strategy in action. And then at 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time, I'll start the main show. At that point, this face will be live in front of the camera, and I'll break down the stocks on my watch list with some good old-fashioned technical analysis. And then after the bell rings, I'll be actively trading the best low float, high volume stocks of the morning. So, if you like what you see, hit that like button if you find this helpful, and let's go.
Good morning. I'm long OCEA here real quick for we're at 586 looking for a bounce continuation through 6. Not quite awake yet this morning, but good morning. I'm also buying CXAI off of the volume weighted average price. Yeah, OCEA not giving me that bounce I wanted, so I'm getting out for the loss on it. Selling a part of CXAI. I'm going to sell another third. I was in it 3 times, so I'm going to go ahead, let it bounce a little here. I'm going to get out the rest right there on CXAI. Nice trade. Bought it off the volume weighted average price. I had a limit order down here to buy it, and I canceled it at the last second to buy this pullback here because this popped up on the scan. Small error there, but otherwise good trade here. I got in it as it started to bounce. I added to it as it broke here, and I added to it again as it broke here. So those are 3 spots that I got in and sold it up into this area. So I'm up $29 on the day, and I'm selling it there. That was a quick trade. I got in it. I hesitated. It pulled back here to this support right here, and I hesitated. I didn't get in it because I'm just not trusting things yet after the last few weeks that we've had. But as it started to break out here, we had these 3 upper, what do we have, a triple top here. I will get my talking voice on here eventually this morning, but we had a triple top here on these 3 candles, and as we broke through that, I still waited, still hesitated, and I waited till we actually broke through 267, and then that's when I bought it. And then it surged up through 274, and then that's where I sold it. So now I'm up $44 on my day. I'm almost at my daily goal. Not bad. CXAI, I'm buying it here after it broke. I don't know, a lot of sellers on the ask. I'm going to get back out for a small loss on it. I'm just not trusting CXAI. I could have bought it here on the break, and I didn't trust it. Could have bought it after it broke here, but I just didn't trust it. I'm just not sure that we're going to see that kind of momentum yet. We might. And there's a pullback on it. So it just took a small loss on that. All right, I'm long CYTO at 279. Looking for that move up to $3. Okay, and I sold it there. That was just another scalp trade. I'm looking for the move up to 3. I don't know that we're going to get through 3, but we'll see. And you see us pulling back over here now on CXAI, consolidating. I am long GFAI up at 33.20, so I'm in pretty high. GFAI, the big mover yesterday. And because I'm in so high, I'm just going to take the profit. Well, it was a small loss, and that's okay. I was in way too high, making me nervous there. I would rather buy a pullback on it. And not to mention, the spreads on GFAI are insane. You're talking almost $1 on the spread sometimes. I am long CYTO here. Didn't quite get the break, but I'm in a little early, looking for that break over 289. Okay, taking another loss on that. So I'm heading in the wrong direction. I was already at my daily goal. If I lose too much more, I will have to stop, so I got to be careful. Yeah, I just made a mistake. I was trying to buy CYTO here and I accidentally punched the buy button on GFAI and then it dropped and I had to get out and took a loss on it. But I am actually in CYTO. I've given back half of my profit, more than that. I hate to sell CYTO right now for the loss, but I think I'm going to have to, unfortunately. That was one of those unfortunate trading errors. I'm going to give CYTO a chance. We have a 1 minute higher low, double top, another higher low here. You know what? GFAI is a monster stock. I'm going to probably have to flatten my position here on CYTO, but let's see if it bounces from that double bottom. Yeah, I'm going to get out of it. I'm long GFAI. Looking for the move up to 35. Selling half. I'm going to sell the other half there. Just get out of it. Okay, so that puts me back up close to my daily goal. Whew, starting to sweat there for a second. Well, I'm in GFAI again. Ooh, I didn't like that. Just like that, taking a lot. Oh, somehow I'm in it twice here. Okay. Got burned on that one. I'm looking for a move up to $40 on GFAI. That's what I was looking for before we pulled back here. We have a double top up at 38.78. So there's a new 5 minute candle. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, that's going to do it for me today. I'm going to have to stop trading. I'm at more than my max loss. Got really burned up here, really beat up on GFAI. I missed it yesterday. I tried trading it today and just didn't do so well here. So I was doing great till we got up to here, and then I tried to get in because I was thinking right in here that we were going to get a move up to 40. That was going to be my target, and we just never could get above 38.78. And I kept trying it and kept trying it throughout here, and it just kept on giving back profits. So, that's too bad. Well, good morning. It is Thursday, the 13th of April. Happy 13th. Not a very good 13th for me. I'm doing the live show early here because I'm going to get out of here early. Unfortunately, I've hit my daily max loss and then some. I'm down $159 this morning. My max loss is 100. There's a big red candle, and you can see the upper wick. I was actually at my daily goal this morning, and I kind of wanted to go over the trades a little bit and kind of the feeling of having this big of a loss when I'm not supposed to have these kinds of losses because of rules that I have in place. But I first started trading this morning. CXAI hit the scanner, and I was trading it back in let me see, back in this area. Actually, I traded it back in here. But yeah, I got myself up close to the daily goal, and then I took a loss on OCEA. But then I got green on CXAI, even more green here, and really I hit my daily goal on it. I don't remember exactly where the trades were, so I'm not going to go over the trades themselves. But here's the bottom line for me today is that I broke rules in my game book, and I was up at my daily goal, and I even said in the live stream, I said, okay, so I'm at my daily goal, so that means if I give back half, I have to stop, and I put that up here. So rule number 2, I'm done if I give back half after hitting my daily goal. Well, then I proceeded to trade and give back more than half, and I was down to almost 0 because I took too many positions and a stock moved against me. But then I got back to green, and I don't remember which stocks got me to red and which ones got me to green exactly. I know which ones I'm down on. If you can see my P&L, yeah, at the top of your screen there. And so I was up at my daily goal, then I dropped down to 0, but then I got back to my daily goal again, and then I dropped back down to 0, and then I got back up close to my daily goal again, And then things went really sideways. I started trading GFAI as it was breaking out here. And I kept getting in it for small scalp trades, thinking it was going to just go up a little bit and then pull back. And it has really wide spreads. So as soon as I'd get in it, I'd be down, right? I'd be down. Like sometimes it had $1 spreads. And that was making me nervous. So then as soon as I was green on it, I would take my profit. And then it would proceed to climb higher. I mean, this thing was breaking out $1 at a time on these candles. Like it was like, I was thinking, okay, there's no way we're going to get to 35. Not realizing 34.84 was a daily level that we broke through. I didn't have that on there at the time. But then we got to 35. Next thing I knew, we were up at almost $38. I was like, whoa, what the heck? And as we got up to this level here, I was thinking, well, shoot, we're probably going to get maybe at least to 40. So that was my target. I was actually green on the stock until we got up to here. And then I was trying to hold it to get for a move to 40. That was my decision that I made. And then I got stopped out as we started pulling back right here. And that's where I went red on the stock. And then I tried it again as we were coming up through here. And then I got stopped out again. And so I started going red on the stock and I ended up losing $175 on GFAI. Now, where did I go wrong in all of this? I sat here thinking about this, and you see the rejection there off of that level again. Where did I go wrong? What did I do? And, you know, I actually, at this time, when I stopped trading this, I look over here, and we're down here at the volume weighted average price on CYTO, and I'm wanting to get in this. And I see us also bouncing over here on CXAI, and I'm wanting to get in that. And right then, I just caught myself and I'm like, nope. I shut down everything on the bottom screens that would allow me to place trades. It's gone. And so I cannot take any trades. I can watch the stocks. And so that's going to be part of my new deal. I've made an agreement with myself that when I get to a point where I've broken a rule, I have to actually close all of that stuff on the bottom of my bottom monitors so that I can no longer be tempted to trade, because there's something in my brain that, and I've always dealt with this in my trading, even before I had rules, that I would get so caught up in the trading that, you know, you have these stocks like GFAI moving up, and, you know, it's like, oh man, I missed so much of that. And then I end up taking losses. And then it's like, I get into this state of mind where it's like, okay, I know I can make money. You know, I've proven in the past I can make money, but here I am, I'm losing money. But if I keep going, I know I can make this back. I just have to keep going, you know, and I forget that I have rules. I forget that I've broken my rules because there's this override in my brain. So the key is to catch yourself in those moments and stop yourself. And that's hard to do sometimes. And I got myself this morning. Where did I go wrong? This morning, when I dropped down to almost zero, that's when I should have stopped right there and shut down everything on my bottom screens so that I couldn't trade anymore, because I would gladly have ended the day at zero instead of negative $159. So now I've got my work cut out for me the next few days to try to make that back. Whereas if I had just made $0, no harm, no foul. So breaking the rules has its costs. And there have been times where I broke a rule and I was rewarded for it. That's even worse. So that's my plan going forward from now on. I'm going to try to be more and more strict with myself. Today just got crazy. I just got crazy. And I think what I want to do also is when I hit my daily goal, I just want to be done trading. I think that's another thing I'm going to start doing here until I can kind of get this under control, until my chart starts to look a little better, because right now it's kind of choppy, kind of sloppy. I'm just going to start hitting my daily goal and be done. So not only if I hit my max loss, I'll shut down the trading stuff at the bottom. Also, if I hit my daily goal, I'll shut down the trading stuff. I'm going to try that for a little while here. Try it tomorrow, see how that goes. Yeah, I might miss some opportunities. You're always going to miss opportunities, but I just don't want any more of this kind of stuff to happen. So I was, believe it or not, about $50 away from my all-time highs today. All I needed was to stop my trading day because I was at my daily goal. And if I hit my daily goal tomorrow, I would have been at my all-time highs. And now, look at me. Well, that's going to do it for me. I just wanted to kind of talk about it. It helps to talk about this stuff. And I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to listen to me rant about my trading and well, the things I need to fix. And I don't know, maybe some of it resonates with you. I mean, we're all human after all. And this game of trading is very difficult and can really slap you around sometimes. So anyways, take care of yourselves. Be careful today. GFAI might have a lot in it yet. I know yesterday it made some pretty incredible moves and I missed the whole thing. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye-bye.